Microwave hack. Let's make salted peanut. First, place the peanuts on the plate. Then let's go to the kitchen to get oil and salt. Pour in some oil and salt according to your taste. Now back to the room. Spread oil and salt evenly. Next, place it in the microwave. Cook it for at least 4 to 5 minutes or according to crunchiness of your preference. Now let's check hubby. Still sleeping, and check self in the mirror. Check peanuts every minute to avoid burning. Be careful of the hot plate. Something's missing. Cold Coke. The remote control. And of course my sleeping hubby. Now time to binge watch. Thanks for watching.